I'd like to announce my first PC build ever. The build consists of an Intel Pentium G3258, which I have overclocked to 4.2 GHz and could go further. Also in this build, I have an ASUS B85MG motherboard with 8GB of RAM from Crucial. Talking about memory, for the storage drive, I'm using a Kingston KC300 series 240GB SSD, and I'm also using a Seagate Barracuda 2TB drive for all of the media. For a case, I have a Cooler Master Silencio 352 with a Corsair VS550 power supply. For the gaming part of me, I have a GTX 260 as it was in my last computer, and for the operating system, I'm using Windows 10 Home. Now some of you will be wondering how to overclock a Pentium G3258 on Windows 10. I'll be going through the steps to achieve an overclock on both cores in another video, so subscribe to see that.